Some days you look out the window and you think, wow, what a dull day. Especially right now in the winter. So sometimes we have to add some color into our lives. Right, back down to earth. A lot of you have been asking me about the color of this phone. This is what it looks like in daylight. So no filter. Do you know what? It's a bit chilly today, so let's go back to the office. That's better. When I chose this color, I really wasn't sure if this was the right choice. But since it arrived, I've been so pleased with it. You know when you look at something and you just have to stop for a bit and admire it? It's been like that with this phone. What I like the most is how color seems to change on it, depending on how light shines on it. It's really quite something. So it can be this really bright and almost like a bronze color at times. And at other times, it's this dark, really quite musky, dark brown, which is, for me, it's quite an elegant color. On the sides of the phone, you've got this really glossy black, complementing these lovely curved edges of the phone itself, and then joining into the back, which is this lovely brown. I've been using an iPhone for the longest time, and I haven't used an Android phone since 2015, and boy, what a device for me to get back to Android. This is just a beautiful phone. True story. I immediately put my SIM card on this phone, of course, the S21 Ultra, as I really want to test it. And so I've put the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the side. The thing is, everything works fine on the iPhone, and I just don't know. Every time I go to pick up a device, I just found myself picking this one every time, even inside the house where both phones could do the job. If I want to watch some content or browse through Instagram or Twitter, or catching up with people over my messages and emails, everything just seems nicer on the S21. There are some things that I do miss, not gonna lie. I'm also still getting used to the different keyboard options. There are a few things that I'm struggling to get used to, but right now there are more positives than negatives. I really didn't expect to find so many good things about this phone. And guys, I can't fit too much into this video alone, so I'll be releasing lots of different videos comparing these two incredible phones, the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the S21 Ultra, exploring its functionalities, what's good and what's bad, comparing photos and things like that, comparing the camera quality and things like that. So please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you're already subscribed, then it's just the bell for you. Sorry about that. I just have to remind you that's how YouTube works. And if I don't say it, you will forget to subscribe and you will miss out on the great content that I've got coming up on this phone. Let's talk about this camera module for a sec. There are many things that I already love about this phone, but aesthetically speaking, this right here, this is my favorite feature so far. It's a beautiful design. The camera module in this carbon fiber finish, it's just, I'm just gonna say it, it's sexy AF. I can't, honestly, I'm a sucker for carbon fiber, anything, sunglasses, cars, stuff. I just love that finish. I don't know what it is. It's just something that I really like. So when I saw the custom design on the website, it was the quickest decision for me. I never purchased anything that quick. As soon as I saw that, I was like, right, sold. It's just beautiful. Now, I've only had this phone for about 24 hours. You have this incredible display, which I've been just marveled by. It's so sharp. It's incredibly bright as well. In the unboxing, I actually didn't have it set to WQHD. And let me tell you, the surprising thing for me is when you're watching high quality content on this thing, speaking from someone who's been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max for a while, since its launch actually, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 4K resolution screen. The quality on the S21 Ultra just looks nicer. It's just been one day and I haven't fully tested it yet, but I think because it's brighter and obviously the higher refresh rate, damn it, I bloody knew it, high quality content on this seems a little bit more pleasing to watch. It's just one of those things. It's subjective probably, and I will do proper testing on this channel, so more on that in the next few videos to come. Also, lots more things for the S21 Ultra as well. Accessories, got this case which I've just got, which I will be doing a video on as well. subscribe, bell, see ya.
I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?